Welcome back to video classes. Already we learnt the factorization by using splitting the middle term in the last video. So those all sums are related to positive signs. So that's what maybe you did easily. Now I am going to explain the sums with the negative signs. The first question is factorize x square minus 4x minus 21 by splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. You know very well, sum is equal to minus 4. Sum is equal to minus 4. Product is equal to, here the quotient of x square is 1. That's why 1 into 21 minus 21 is equal to minus 21. So here 21 you take, if it is minus 21 also you take 21 and go for factorization. 1 into 21, 2 is not divisible. 21 is not divisible by 2. 21 is not divisible by 2. Why? Because you know the divisibility rule. The last number must be 0 or even number. So here the last number is not even number. That's why, that's what I said, divisibility rules are very, very important. So once you go through the meaning, it will be available in all the websites. So here 3 will be divisible. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. That's why 3 will be divisible. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is there in 3 table. That's why 3 sevens are 21. What about 4? 4 is not divisible. If you divide, go for a divisibility rule 4. Otherwise, 21 divided by 4 also you won't get to the remainder 0. Then 21 is also not divisible by 4. Next, 5 won't be divisible. You know the divisibility rule 5 also. What is 6? If it is 2 is not divisible, if the 2 will be divisible, 3 will be divisible, then only 6 will be divisible. Here 2 is not divisible, 3 is only divisible, that's why 6 is not divisible. After that 7 into 3. Stop. 7 into 3. 7 into 3, no need to take, only you take 1 into 21, 3 into 7. So 1, 3, 7, 21 are the factors of the given number 21. So in this, which is suitable? This one not required. Okay, leave it. Which is suitable? Both are same. 3 into 7, 7 into 3 commutative property. That's what I should write down. Here 3 into 7. 3 into 7 or 1 into 20. Which is suitable? Which is suitable? Maybe I thought 3 into 7 is suitable. 3 into 7 is suitable. If you sum, if you take those two numbers, 3 plus 7. If you add 3 plus 7, I am getting 10. I am getting 10. I should get sum should be minus 4. Sum should be minus 4. That's why I am taking, this is minus 3, this is plus 7. This is nothing but plus of minus 3 minus 3, plus of plus is equal to plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 is nothing but 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. This is also not correct. This is also not correct. Now, my assumption is wrong. I have taken minus 3 plus 7. I got 4. I should get minus 4 no. That's why once again this will be plus 3. This will be minus 7. This will be plus 3. This will be minus 7. You add it. Just if you want directly different signs difference. Different signs difference. So what is the absolute value of plus 3 is equal to, this is modulus symbol. Absolute value of plus 3 is equal to 3. What is absolute value? The number without sign. The number without sign. What is the absolute value of minus 7? Absolute value of minus 7 is equal to 7. So here different signs, different signs, difference, different signs, difference, different signs, different, same signs, sum. Different signs no? Different. That's what I have to find different. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Just I have written 4. In this, which is big number? 7 is big number. What is the symbol for sign for 7? Minus. That's what? Minus 4. So if you want, you can do like this. Otherwise, directly, if you want, what is the this is plus 3. What is plus of plus 3? 3 you can write. Plus of minus, yes, negative, negative. Plus of minus, minus. You are habituated plus into minus, minus. Okay, that is not correct actually. So 3 minus 7. You know very well. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Automatically 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Now these two are matching. These two are matching. Minus 4. This is minus 4. This is minus 4. Okay. Now sum is okay. Let us check product. Product is correct or not. So product, here numbers, plus 3 into minus 7. Plus 3 into minus 7 is equal to 3 sevens are 21. Plus into minus minus. 3 sevens are 21. Plus into minus minus. So yes, now okay. It is also okay. Now product is good. Here also minus 21. Here also minus 21. So my numbers are correct. The first number is minus 3. Sorry, plus 3. The second number is minus 7. Plus 3, minus 7. Okay. Otherwise minus 7 plus 3. You can take anything. That is nothing but you can take plus 3x x square plus 3x minus 7x. If you simplify plus 3x and minus 7x, I'll get minus 4x. I'll get minus 4x. So, if you multiply plus 3 into minus 7, I'll get minus 21. So, now as it is, you know very well, you can take factorization, normal factorization. So, here x square, x into x, 3 into x, 3 into x. So, in this, which is common? X is common. This is highest common factor. Highest common factor. That's what you take x. And you can divide x square by, in this bracket, x square by x, you let something. Instead of that, x square by x is nothing but you get x. Otherwise, you do normal division also. Next, 3x by x is nothing but 3. 3x by x is nothing but 3. Now, here, if you want, you can do minus 7x, minus 21 also you can do. Minus 7x. Here, minus 7 is common. Here, minus 7x by 7. Minus 7, how minus 7 is common? Again, you can go for factorization. Minus 7 is common. Here, x plus 3. Why it is minus? Here it is plus. So, you see, minus 7 into x is minus 7x. Minus 7 into plus 3 is equal to minus 21. Minus 21. Okay. Now, okay. So, then instead of that, directly I am doing here x plus 3, no? Here also I will get x plus 3. Like that I am doing. I actually have to do like this. Like this I am doing. Here x plus 3 also. Now check minus 7. Now minus 7. Minus 7 into x minus 7x. Minus 7 into plus 3 is equal to minus 21. Minus 7 into plus 3 is equal to minus 21. Minus 21. Once again you check. So x into x square. X into 3x plus 3x. Minus 7 into x minus 7x. Minus 7 into plus 3 minus 21 is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 7. X plus 3 into x minus 7. This is the factorization. Factorization of x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 7. If you have doubt this answer is correct or not, you need to go for checking, normal checking. If you multiply these two, if you multiply x plus 3 into x minus 7, you will get x square minus 4x minus 21. This is the first sum by using splitting the middle term. This is the second sum by using splitting the middle term in today's class. Sum is equal to minus 7. Product is equal to 12 into 1. Product is equal to 12 into 1 is equal to 12. 12 over 5 factorization. 12 is equal to 1 into 12. 2 table will be divisible 2 into 6. 3 table will be divisible 3 into 4. 4 table will be divisible 4 into 3. So stop, 3 into 4 is enough. Now, which number is suitable? I think 3 and 4 is suitable. Why? Because you see 12 is equal to plus 3 into plus 4. Plus 3 into plus 4. Plus 3 into plus 4 also 12 only. 12 is equal to minus 3 into minus 4. This is also 12 only. Minus into minus plus. That's why 3 4s are 12. Even that's why finally we can write 12 is equal to plus or minus 3 into plus or minus 4. That's why 12 is nothing but plus 3 into plus 4. 12 is nothing but minus 3 into minus 4. Even this 2 into 6 also. Plus 2 into plus 6, minus 2 into minus 6. Plus 1 into plus 1, minus 1 into minus 1. Now, here, maybe my numbers are, I'll take some numbers. So, sum is equal to plus 3 plus 4. If I add these two, plus 3 and plus 4, I'll get plus 7. I'll get plus 7. But I should get minus 7. That's what I'll take minus 3 into plus 4. Minus 3 into plus 4. Sorry. Minus 3 into minus 4. So, same sum. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That's why this is minus 7. This is minus 7. Minus 3 plus 4 is minus 7. If you want, you can verify. Break the bracket, plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 3, plus of minus is equal to minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Otherwise, the absolute value of minus 3, absolute value, the symbol is modulus. Absolute value, the number without sign, minus 3 is nothing but 3. Minus 4 is nothing but 4. Here, what is that? Same signs. Same signs mean both are same sign. That's what addition. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Here, negative symbols, both are girl. That's why girl 7. Negative 7. Negative 7. Now, product. Minus 3 into minus 4. If you multiply minus 3 into minus 4, 3 4s are 12. That's why I should get plus 12. 3 4s are 12. Minus into minus plus. Yes, this is minus 7. This is also minus 7. This is plus 12. This is also plus 12. So my numbers are minus 3 and minus 4. The numbers are minus 3 and minus 4. 12x square minus 7x split into middle term. Splitting minus 3x minus 4x. Minus 7 is nothing but minus 3x minus 4x. Plus 1 as it is, don't write 12. Here product is 12, that's why don't write 12. Only what is the number is here, the same number you write. Already 12 is front I have written now. That's what only. Now, normal factorization. How to do? 12 into x square. 12 is nothing but prime factors are 4 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 12 is nothing but 4 for prime factorization. 2 table, 4 times, 6 times. Here 2 table, 3 times. That's why 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 I have written in the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. X square I can write x into x. What about 3x? 3x. 3 into x. So in this 3 is common. In this x is common. Highest common factor or common factor 3x. In these two, highest common factor is 3x. That 3x you write outside bracket. 12x square by 3x. Normally 12x square by 3x. 12x square by 3x, definitely we get 2 2s are 4. 4x only we get. If you want to verify, definitely 4 times here you get x. 4x only you get. Okay. Normal division. Next minus 3x minus only 3x by 3x. 3x by 3x is equal to 1. 3x by 3x is equal to 1. That's why I have written. Now, actually, we have to factor this one, but instead of the directly I am writing this. What is 4x minus 1? Here also I am writing 4x minus 1. Maybe minus 1 I have taken. I should say minus 1. Minus 1 into 4x minus 4x. Minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. If you want to check, minus 1 into 4x minus 4x. Minus 1 into 4x minus 4x. Okay. This minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1. Now, this which is common, 4x minus 1. 3x minus 1. So, this is the factors of the given quadratic polynomial. 4x minus 1, 3x minus 1. If you multiply, you will get the given quadratic polynomial. Okay, one more sum, 3x square minus 2x minus 21. Sum is equal to minus 2. Product is equal to 3 into minus 21 is equal to minus 63. So 63 factorization 1 into 63. Two table won't be divisible. 3 will be divisible. Already is there, no? 3 into 21. 3. 4 will not be divisible. If you want to check, 5 won't be divisible. 6 will not be divisible. 7. 7 nines. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. 8 won't be divisible. If you want to can check, divisibility rule 8 you have to apply. If you don't know the divisibility rule, divide 63 divided by 8, you may not get, you won't get that. Remainder at 0. That's why 63 is not divisible by 8 also. Now what about 9? Already you know 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. This is not required. Now in this which is suitable? Maybe which is suitable? 7 and 9 are suitable, I think. 7 and 9. Maybe because, okay, you can understand 7 and 9. These two are not suitable. 7 and 9 are suitable. 7 and 9. Again sum. If I add 7 and 9 in the sense, plus 7 into plus 9 is equal to 63. Minus 7 into minus 9 also 63. That's what I can take. Plus 7 into plus 7. Plus 7 into plus 9 or minus 7 into minus 9. If you multiply. For addition, you can take plus 7 into plus 7 plus minus 9 or plus 7 plus 9 plus minus 7. Anything you can take. Either the main intention is this number 63 is nothing but plus or minus 7 into plus or minus 9. This is very, very important. 63 is nothing but 7 nines are 63. So that's why which number I think plus 7 plus 9. If I'll add, I'll get 16. I should get minus 2. That's why, okay, I'll take minus. This is also minus 16. This is also not fine. Then I'll take this one as plus, this one as minus. So I'll check whether it is correct or not. Yes. Actually, different signs, difference. The absolute value of plus 7 is equal to 7. What is the absolute value? The number without sign. The absolute value of minus 9 is equal to 9. Different signs, that's why subtraction 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. In this big number is 7, big number is 9. The sign for big number is minus, that's what minus 2. That's what minus 2. Minus 2, yes, minus 2. Otherwise, I got minus 2, okay? I got minus 2. Otherwise, what is the sign in front of this bracket? Plus of plus is equal to plus 7. Plus of minus is equal to minus 9. Plus of minus is equal to minus 9. Otherwise, that's negative. This, if you are not writing also no problem. 7 minus 9. What is 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. You can take like that also, no problem. Yes. Sum and sum is matching. I have to check about product. Product is equal to product plus 7 into minus 9. You know very well, 7 nines are 63. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. So minus 63. This minus 63, yes. This P and P will be matching. This S and S will be matching. So automatically my numbers are correct. My numbers are nothing but plus 7 and minus 9. My numbers are nothing but plus 7 and minus 9. So I will split this middle term. 3x square minus 2x I can write plus 7x plus 7x minus 9x plus 7x minus 9x minus 21 as it is. Don't write 3 into 21 is 63. Don't write that one as it is. What is the number in the constant? The same number you have to write. Now factorization 3x square 3 into x into x 3 into x into x 7x 7 into x. So in this which is common? X is common. You take x as common and in bracket 3x square by x. 3x square by x. If you want to do 3x square by x. So x square by x is nothing but x 3x. Otherwise directly you can copy from here 3x. And 7x by 7x by x. 7x by x is equal to 7. Otherwise here in this leftover is 7. That's why here plus 7. So x into 3x plus 7. X into 3x plus 7. X into 3x plus 7. If you multiply x into 3x, 3x square plus 7 into x, 7x minus, sorry, first stop, better don't write this symbol. If you want, you can separately, you can do minus 9x minus 21, go for factorization like 3x square plus 7x. Instead of that, directly I am writing, here also I am writing 3x plus 7. Now, you check. Here, I will take plus 3, suppose. If I take plus 3, maybe wrong, I get wrong. Plus 3 into plus 3x is equal to plus 9x I got, but minus I should get. That's why I take minus 3. So minus 3 into 3x is equal to minus 9x. Minus 3 into plus 7 is equal to minus 21. So here also 3x plus 7, here also 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7 minus into x minus 3. 3x plus 7 into x minus 3. X minus 3. Okay? This is the answer. If you want, you can verify. If you multiply these two, you should get that. 3x square minus 2x minus 21, but because factorization is reverse process of multiplication. Okay? Okay, this is one more sum. Sum is equal to 10 plus 10. Product is equal to 3 into minus 8 is equal to minus 24. Now 24. 1 into 24. 2 into 12. 3 will be divisible. 3 8s. 4 6. 5 will be divisible. 6 4s. 6 4s are 24. 4 into 6, 5 into 6 into 4, both are same. So, in this, if I am adding these two numbers, I should get plus 10. If you multiply, I should get minus 24, not plus 24, minus 24. Maybe this one or this one is suitable. First I will take this one only 90%. So, here, sum is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 12. Plus 2 plus 12. Yes. Plus 2 plus 12 is 14. Plus 14. That's why product, once I check product, okay, later I check. Plus 2 plus, instead of better I can take minus 2 plus 12. Why? Because I can take plus or minus. That's what I can take 1 negative, 1 positive also, no problem. Minus 2 plus 12. Minus 2 plus 12. Minus 2 plus 12 is nothing but 10. Minus 2 plus 12 is nothing but 10. Otherwise, if you want to check, this is nothing but plus or minus 2, minus 2, plus or plus. So, this is nothing but minus 2 plus 12 is nothing but 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Otherwise, you can use the absolute value concept here also. This is 10 plus 10 plus 10. What about product? Product is equal to minus 2 into plus 12 is equal to 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Minus into plus minus 24. Yes. Now, this my assumption is correct. Either this one or this one, I said no. This is okay. That's why minus 2 plus 1 negative we can take, 1 positive we can take. Why? Because plus 2 into plus 12 is equal to 24. Minus 2 into minus 12 also. 2 into 12 are plus into plus into plus minus into minus plus 2 12 are 24. Both are correct. Plus 2 into plus 12 minus 2 into minus 12. Both are correct. But here I have taken one number is minus 2, one number is plus 2. One number is minus 2 plus 2. The answer is, if I am adding those two, I got plus 10. If I multiply those two, minus, I got minus 2 to go. Therefore, my numbers are minus 2 and plus 12. Minus 2 and plus 12. So, 3x square split in the middle term minus 2x plus 12x minus 8 is equal to factorization 3x square 3 into x into x 2x is nothing but 2 into x, x is common, x is common factor, x in brackets 3x square by x, 3x if you want 3x square by x, 3x and minus 2x, sorry minus, no need to write if you want to write minus 2x, 2x by x is equal to 2, 2x by x is equal to 2. So this is 2. Now plus x into 3x, 3x square minus 2 into x minus 2x. If you want, you can separate, you can take 12x minus 8 and you can factorize, otherwise directly don't write before itself symbol. What is 3x here? 3x minus 2, here also 3x minus 2 and here maybe plus 4 I'll get. Plus 4 into plus 3x plus 12x, both these are 12x, plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Now 3x minus 2 into x plus 4. This is the answer. 3x minus 2 into x plus 4. If you multiply 3x square plus 10x minus 8, 3x minus 2 into x plus 4. This is the answer. More sum. Here, sum is equal to minus 2. Product is equal to 5 into minus 3. 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. 15 is equal to 1 into 15. 5 3s are 15, okay? 2 table won't be divisible. 3 5s. 4 won't be divisible. 5. Again 5 into 3 not required. Though the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Which is suitable? Maybe this is suitable. I take the numbers. This is nothing but plus 3 into minus 5. Sorry, plus 5. Minus 3 into minus 5. Both are correct. You can write at a time plus or minus 3, plus or minus 5. So both are correct. So plus 3 into plus 5 is equal to plus 15. Minus 3 into minus 5 is equal to plus 15. Okay. Now which numbers are suitable? So sum is equal to, I should get minus 2. I should get minus 2. That's what I am taking. Plus 3 and minus 5. Plus 3 and minus 5. Plus 3 plus minus 5. That is nothing but plus of plus 3 plus of minus minus. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. 3 minus 5. If you take multiplication, plus 3 into minus 5 is equal to minus 15. Minus 15. So, sum and sum will be matching. Minus 2, minus 2. Product and product will be matching. Minus 15, minus 15. So, my numbers are plus 3 and minus 5. My numbers are plus 3 and minus 5. Or minus 5 plus 3. So, 5x square minus 2x I can write there. Plus 3x minus 5x. Plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 5x is equal to minus 2x and minus 3. Don't write minus 15. Factorization. 5x square 5 into x 3x 3 into x. Which is common? X is common. That's what I have taken x. So, x into x 5x square by x. So 5 only. X square by x is nothing but x. Already I got 5x plus 3x by x. 3x by x. X cancel plus 3. So the same number here also 5x plus 3. Before I am writing here minus 1. Once you check, minus 1 into 5x minus 5x minus 1 into plus 3 is equal to minus. How to multiply? Minus 1 into plus 5x. Here no symbol also plus, there is plus. So plus only 1. Minus 1 into 5 minus 5 x. Yes. Next minus 1 into plus 3 is equal to minus 2 plus minus 3. Yes. Once I check this area also, x into 5x 5x square plus 3 into x into plus 3 3x x. Now which is common? 5x plus 3 is common. Next x minus 1. If you multiply these two, we get 5x square minus 2x minus 3. This is the one more sum. This is the factorization of 5x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 5x plus 3 into x minus 1. Okay? Okay, we completed splitting the middle term. Very, very important model. It is useful for 9th and 10th also. Very, very important. So, learn properly. I explained in the last class. Now, in this class also I explained the same. Splitting the middle term only. Very, very important. Now, I have given total 10 sums as assignment. All of you do this 10 sums and send to your class teacher. This is very, very important. Normally, some people are doing only Google Forms. So, that is not correct. So, this is very, very important. After that, after completion of this, send Google both. I have both I will check. Google Forms I will check and this one also I will check. So, carefully you do this one. Thank you very much.